Over the past 2 years, my partner and I have successfully built 2 6-figure clothing brands, and I now find myself questioning how to scale it to 7 figures. $1 million. The fact that I'm even in a position where this is a real possibility is so surreal to me. Not too long ago, I was cutting fabric patterns on the floor on my hands and knees, and my partner was sewing nonstop every day until her hands hurt. And somehow, through all the obstacles, God has opened doors that have allowed me to now visualize and strategize ways to make my first $1 million in each of these businesses. Work hard until the things you want in life come easy has always been the motto, and I'm glad that I'm living proof of this testament. I'm going to share with you 5 steps that will take my business from $100,000 to $1 million. But first, let's spend a few days in my life. All right, y'all, so here is a slight little update on what we got going on. Right now, we are fulfilling orders. But first, we're trying to do a photo shoot for Fran. She got a fit. We got about 90, 100 orders. So we're gonna see how we can put this together so our fit pics could come out looking smooth. This is the fit. Gradient mohair piece. You got the long shorts. Check out these boots. I ain't gonna lie, they go tough. Get this in like a high top minus the fur. Get that for men's. And working with some attachments. So that's the move for today. It's been super rainy these past few days, so we've been like a little bit inconsistent with work, but we finally got these orders out and I'm excited. Attachments lead to results. All we do on these rainy days is work. If you guys don't know, now you know. Moving truckloads. Hit you guys with the clock in. So today is October 10th. And right now I'm going to be fulfilling a few orders. We have a few attachment orders that I'm going to be getting out of the way. I'm trying to take you guys with me on what we got. So today we're going to do this. I'm going to fill these orders. I'm going to drop them off. We're also going to be headed to the gym. Get a nice little workout in because I am training for a half marathon that will be early 2024. I'm also trying to get my weight down. I think at my peak I was about 200. Right now I'm like 194, and I think I'm trying to get down to like 180 something. So I'm like probably like 10% body fat. And this is what the warehouse looks like. Whole bunch of just pieces that we need to grind, get out, short orders, all that good stuff. All right, so here are the orders. Very light load today, just about 4 orders. So we're gonna go get ready for the gym, ship out these orders, get a nice workout in, and then I'm gonna catch you guys up with everything that's been going on, plans for Easy, plans for Bordier, and how we plan on taking our businesses from 6 figures to 7, just a game plan for the end of 2023 to 2024. Bruh, they should be open, but this thing just got stuck. Got like 3 packages in there. This is annoying. I ain't gonna lie, this is super annoying. I guess we'll leave it. This is the best. All right, and that concludes our nice little workout. As you guys can see, we getting there. Got a few sweat stains. I'm down to about 195. I think I'm getting to where I want to be. It's like my go-to pose when I be in the gym. be just like this. It's like my gym photo right there. Other than that, we had a good workout, and now we're gonna head back, and I'm gonna let you guys know the strategy on how we're gonna take our businesses from 6 figures to 7 figures within the next 1 to 3 years. I'll see you there. So this is all my stats. All right, y'all, so I don't know how we ended up here, but after the gym, we are eating. We're literally not supposed to be doing this, but they had a good flavor, so we're gonna see if we like it. Hey, this one smack. This one smack for sure. I ain't gonna lie. Them 3 bites that I took, that's like 600 calories. 200 calories per bite. All right, so every Friday I run with my bro, and this is the fit. Let that light get in. Looking pretty nice, bro. It's like 9 o'clock. It's 9:35 in the morning right now. I'm running a little bit late. I'm gonna grab like a banana or some yogurt, and we're gonna head off to this run. All right, y'all, we got the spontaneous trip. We're finna go test drive some Porsches, coming just like this. All right, y'all, we really just arrived. Go ahead, see what they talking about. All right, here we are. Porsche Houston. Nah, you good. Yeah, cause like, bro, like whenever I go to some of these places, right, they like, oh, don't record, oh, you can't record, like, so like I like getting permission, so like I'm not recording right, and then they like, oh, why you recording me, type shit. Nah, y'all, right now we're waiting. We're gonna take a look at the Macan and a Taycan base, my boy Walter. So far it's kind of smooth, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Right here, a few GTSs. So far, so good. I'm liking what we're seeing. It's a lot of cool things. Bro has a lot of options. So far, how you feeling? I'm not gonna lie, it is smooth though, and it's like it's tough. I know you would, you know. I still vouch for EVs, but I ain't gonna lie, this mug's smooth. It's super smooth.
I think that probably I would want it to be a little quicker.
Let's see. Got some go to it for a big car, I ain't gonna lie. You know what the 0 to 60 time is?
Not on this one.
Okay.
Just shot the video of this bitch. Hey, talking about, man. Ooh, woo. Huh?
Tori on the beat.
So the first way that I plan on taking my business from 6 figures to 7 figures is by cutting down lead times. Because right now, for some of the products that we have for our businesses that are doing very well, the lead times are like 6 to 8 weeks. So we're either going to have to start upfronting more money to bring in more bulk, or we're going to have to add more manufacturers so we could reduce that wait time. Also, everything that I'm going to be saying in this video are things that you guys can apply to your own business. I think that these are like universal things and holds goals that you might have in your business, that if you get this down, it could potentially take you from 6 figures to 7 figures annually. Not just talking about, you know, over the course of a few years. The second thing is adding heavy hitters. And what I mean by that are just products that do very well, like our top sellers, rather than having like, I guess 2-3 top sellers, adding more products that we really have that feeling that it's gonna really hit. The third step is to create things that have not been created before. And this is like adding a lot of components to one piece. So it could be sweatpants with different type of pockets for the front pockets and the side pockets and the back pocket, or a varsity jacket that has more elements. So let's say I play around and I have a base varsity jacket like this, but then I add different type of fabrics on top of it. Or I make a varsity jacket using just different materials entirely, you know, like a mohair varsity jacket or something like that. It's made of entirely mohair material. I think something like that could be cool and different. And really just pushing myself creatively to take the harder route rather than being like, oh shoot, this piece might take me 3 to 4 months to develop. Let me go for something that's a little bit less complex and I can get that out within like the next month or so. So kind of taking the longer route and like the harder decision and ultimately running with that and using that to push my brand. And the fourth and last thing is having a budget for influencers, because I feel like for a lot of brands, we spend money to run ads, right? So you get your creative, you put it in through Facebook ads, you might do TikTok ads, Google ads, whatever ads that you're trying to do. And that's how we try to scale our business in a sense, to get sales, stuff like that. But what I've kind of seen is that, let's say your budget for the year, you want to use $10,000 to promote your business or run ads to it. Why not take like 2 or 3 and find influencers that you really like and see if that fits within their budget for you to send them out some pieces, pay them to either make a TikTok video, Instagram, have a feed post, whatever it is. And I think that's something that moving on into 2024 is something that I want to incorporate with Easy, especially people who I feel like align with our message, which is work hard and so the things you want in life come easy, and people I feel like can push not only the products, which is the clothing that we're going to be selling, but also push that message. I think it would be a better spend to find people that align with our brand and just pay them rather than, let's say, running like, you know, just paid advertisement to get some traction or sales or whatever the case may be. I think that could end up helping, especially if they have a large platform and the message resonates with them. I think that could be a very good use of the money. So in all, this is really what I think will take my business from $100,000 in revenue to $1 million plus. Just doing this and continuing to scale. I think if I can push my creativity, make things that have not been done before, scale the business, and ultimately get the products in the right people's hands, I think within a relatively short amount of time, it could allow Easy to grow at a more rapid rate. And just to catch you guys up on like how things have been going so far, I moved out of my parents' crib about a year and a half ago. It was July of 2022. Right now it is October of 2023. I lived in that apartment for about 13 months, and then my partner and I bought this house. This is our first property. We're trying to put ourselves in a position where we could, you know, pretty much move out, buy another house, rent this one out, and see if we can do that every 1 to 3 years. And essentially the properties will be like our retirement plan. It's just accumulating these. But on the flip side, we want to maneuver in a way that we're not going to be over leveraged or put ourselves in a, you know, a risky position, because buying properties and doing all that can get pretty risky, especially if you don't play your cards right. You could end up being under very, very quickly. So that's what we have planned for right now. I'm gonna do the best I can to continue to document the journey. I will say this year so far has been a lot tougher than what I was expecting. Things have been slower with Easy, but on the flip side with Bordier, things have been going crazy. So it's like really just trying to get to a point to where both businesses are doing well, like annually. I think that will really allow us to reach a lot of our goals, scale faster, and ultimately like put ourselves in positions to do more. You know, there's a lot of things that I want to do giveaway wise. I want to have like some type of fun. I could like help other creators who are, or really just creators, potential business owners. This is a fund that like you got almost like a grant type system to where like I can help fund either some projects or just something like that. Is like a goal that I have for the future. Anyways, guys, I hope that these tips helped you. This is a behind the scenes look of running Easy and Bourdier and just what my life is like running these businesses. If you find this interesting or if you want to stay tuned with the journey, feel free to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe. But anyways, we're Chris Alia, aka CEasy, and I'm out.